Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here with my channel Splash the Knowledge. Today I'm here with another video of giveaway. I'll make parrot by using heart charts of 3 colors, green, light green and red color. I will also use the popsicles. You can see I'm cutting the quills of parrot. Popsicles, the glittery sheet of black color, white color chart, and the 3 different color heart charts are used in this parrot making. We will glue it by using UHU. As you can see, I have cut the 3 different color quills of parrot. Now I will paste it on this popsicles, the colored popsicles. This is the eye of parrot. I will also use the red color glittery sheet to make the beak of parrot. As you can see, now I am cutting the beak of parrot. At the end, I will paste all these cutouts on the popsicles to make a colorful and cute giveaway for the young learners. As you can see, I have pasted the beak first. Now it's time to paste the eye of the parrot. And now one by one I am pasting the 3 quills of parrot. At the end, a colorful parrot will be made. I hope you will like this video. You will like this beautiful and colorful cute parrot. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Now it's time to say